Hello, and welcome to this new episode of Tech Talk Shorts. Imagine burning through billions of dollars, slashing headcount, and completely upending your business model out of pure, unadulterated fear, only to realize you are sprinting in the wrong direction. It sounds like a corporate nightmare, but it's a reality we are witnessing right now. Today, we're unpacking a striking parallel: how the frantic corporate rush into artificial intelligence looks identical to the automotive industry's chaotic gamble on electric vehicles, and the multi-billion-dollar lesson tech leaders are ignoring. Let's look at the numbers. Global IT spending on AI infrastructure is projected to skyrocket to over $2 trillion. The big tech hyperscalers alone spent a staggering $437 billion in capital expenditure. A recent IDC report revealed that a shocking 20% of enterprises admit they are pouring cash into AI projects solely due to the fear of missing out, without a disciplined ROI strategy in place. Sounds familiar? It should. Just a few years ago, traditional automakers did the exact same thing. Driven by intense hype, legacy car giants threw over $60 billion into pure battery electric vehicles, confidently promising to completely phase out internal combustion engines. They laid off thousands of workers and retooled factories to catch up with Tesla and other giant Chinese EV manufacturers, mainly BYD. But then reality hit. Automakers completely overestimated how fast mainstream consumers would adopt full EVs, leading to massive inventory pileups. The industry was hit with a staggering correction. Ford recorded a historic $19 billion write-down on its EV programs, and General Motors absorbed over $8 billion in EV-related charges, delaying plant expansions. So, what actually saved them? They got saved by adopting a less drastic strategy. They started considering both the plug in hybrid and hybrid vehicles. Automakers quickly realized that consumers, environmentalists, and sustainability regulations didn't actually need an all or nothing approach. Hybrids became the ultimate pragmatic path. They offer immediate emissions reductions, don't require a $1 trillion overhaul of national charging grids, and crucially, they make financial sense for the everyday consumer. Today, automakers like GM, Ford, and VW are aggressively shifting back to hybrids to survive. The tech sector is standing at this exact same crossroads. Companies are frantically firing human workers to fund incredibly expensive, unproven AI models, while AI giants like OpenAI loses billions quarterly. Enterprise leaders are discovering that deploying monolithic multi-billion-dollar AI models for simple administrative tasks is like using a rocket ship to go grocery shopping. It's too expensive, incredibly power hungry, and economically unsustainable. The lesson from the EV race is crystal clear. Don't let FOMO replace your business strategy. Instead of chasing a pure, all or nothing AI everything future, companies need the technological equivalent of a hybrid. We need practical, smaller, specialized models that integrate seamlessly into existing human workflows without draining the corporate treasury. In closing, in the race for innovation, the winner isn't the one who spends the most money the fastest. It's the one who builds the most sustainable bridge to the future. That would be all for now. Thank you for tuning into Tech Talk Shorts. Until next time, stay active, keep learning, and dream big. Goodbye.